Hey, I'm Jennifer Young. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and today I'm going to show you two hand and wrist stretches. So the first one we're going to do, you can either stand up or sit down, and what you're going to do is line up your fingers and your thumbs together and push your palms together. If when you do this, you feel like your shoulders come up, go ahead and take a deep breath and let those shoulders relax. And then keeping the palms and fingers and thumb together, try to slowly lower those hands down, keeping palms, hands, and wrists together until your wrists come to the same spot as your elbows, lined up with your elbows. If you're doing this and you feel like your shoulders are forward and up, again, take a deep breath, get those shoulders down, try to sit up or stand up tall, and hold your hands in this position as long as you can. Now, if this is pretty tough and you only make it this far and this is a stretch, then hold it there and try to shoot for 30 seconds. If you can get it down further, fantastic. And again, palms together, fingers all together, and thumbs kind of smashed together, holding it for 30 seconds. Or another way that I like to do it with these kind of exercises is with breaths. So sometimes I'll do it just trying to take 10 deep breaths. So breathing in and out. And sometimes that helps my shoulders to relax down and my chest to relax and get a really nice stretch through those hands. The second stretch we're going to do is kind of a funny one. So we're going to turn our hands around so that the backs of the hands are touching. This time you can kind of let those fingers come in the middle together, or you can line them up, you can choose. But sometimes it's kind of hard to line up your fingers exactly here. So it's okay to have those kind of crisscross in the middle. And so we're starting here. If you get the back of your hands touching and you feel like your shoulders are up and forward, go ahead and take a deep breath and lower those down. And then the next thing you're going to do is try to get those thumbs back to touch each other. Now, with the amount of computer work and just work that we do with our hands, a lot of times those thumbs can get really tight. So this is a really nice way to stretch those out along with your wrists and relaxing your shoulders. So again, as I was talking, I felt like my shoulders were going up, so I need to remind myself to take a deep breath, relax those shoulders, back of the hands together, fingers can kind of crisscross a little bit in the middle, and then trying to get those thumbs to touch. Same as with the other one. If you're able to bring those wrists down lower, we'll just go to the level of your wrists at the same spot as your elbows. We won't go any lower than that. But if you can get there, great. Again, if you feel like those shoulders are inching up, go ahead and relax them down. You can hold it shooting for 30 seconds or with your deep breaths again. So taking a deep breath in and out and in and out. So I a lot of times will shoot for 10 of those deep breaths. It's also a good stress reliever. So you're getting two things at once done. So these stretches are a good way to keep your hands and wrists flexible, so then you get keep good circulation through your arms and your hands. If you're having some swelling or pain in your hands, then just these gentle stretches can help get good blood flow so that your body can heal up whatever's going on in those hands. So give it a try and let me know what you think.